Let's take a look at this bike rack from Mr. Ironstone. This rack holds 5 bikes. It's good for both indoor and outdoor use. It can hold all types of bikes, including mountain bikes, road bikes, and kids bikes. It came very well packaged with all the parts and hardware needed to assemble. Assembly was very easy. With the included manual and assembly instructions, I was able to put this rack together in less than 30 minutes. All the parts are labeled and easy to find, and it's easy to know which parts connect together. We start off by connecting all the U-bend tubes. Then we use the included bolts to connect all the tube supports. There's 2 bolts for each one. And now we're ready to put everything together. It uses a simple locking mechanism that requires no tools. You simply slide them into each other until they click. Now we're ready to install the ends. Once again, you simply slide it in until it clicks. Since I only have 3 bikes currently, I decided not to include the other 2 and just save them for later. This way I'm able to build a smaller bike rack, which saves some space. I think this is really awesome. The bike wheels roll right in, no problems. Here I'm putting both of my hybrid commuting bikes and my mountain bike onto the rack. They fit side by side with no problems. There's plenty of room. This will definitely help me organize my garage, with all the bikes neatly put into one place. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video.